So good morning everyone. So today we are going to start the topic called statics. Okay. So statics we have learned in class 9 also, class 8 also. Okay. So we have learned the simple topic in that classes. So we have learned about the individual series, we have learned the discrete series. Okay. Class 10 must be continuous series parent in Sami. Okay. So but in this class, in this today's class, we will just learn about the individual series and the discrete series. So what are the formula? Because we need to know the formula of these two. Okay. So individual series का formula के पता summation, so mean equals to summation x by n. Okay, we have learned this formula before also. Summation x by n. Summation means sum plus learning x, whatever the numbers are given, we need to add that numbers. N means how many numbers are there. Okay, so that is a quick revision for this topic. So mean, that means x bar equals to, so mean equals to summation x by n. This is the formula of mean. Okay, for the individual series. Discrete series. So discrete series means if the individual numbers are also there as well as the frequency is also there. Okay, the number points of frequency points are one. Then what is the formula? Just revise this. Just remember this formula only. Mean equals to summation x by n. Frequency is one. So x by f one then that is summation fx by n. Okay, summation fx by n. That is our formula. Okay, discrete series. Now uh, this is all about the discrete series, and if there is continuous series, then continuous series means, so it is going to be, so mean equals to summation fm. Okay, we need to multiply here with mid value. Okay, हामी पढ्दा हामीले बुझ्छौँ यो. Okay, so m भनेको यहाँनिर, so just remember summation fx ठाउँमा fm लेख्ने divided by n, otherwise x को ठाउँमा, sorry, m को ठाउँमा you can write on x also, no problem. Okay, so this is our simple formula, summation x by n. If there is discrete, otherwise if there is frequency over there, then so your formula will be summation fx by n. Just frequency लाई multiply गर्ने, summation भनेको plus हो, that you need to know it. Okay, so this is all about the formula. Let us go to the solution now. Okay, now let's go to the question. What is the formula of mean? Mean equals to summation x by n. So which series is this one? This is called individual series. In individual, because the number are individual. Okay, so 5,000, 9,000, 7,500, so 8,500. These are the numbers only. Okay, there is no any frequency. So you can see the number also, you can see the frequency also. Oh, frequency पनि दिएको छ भने, this is called the discrete series, where the numbers are only there. Okay, numbers are there as well as frequency is also there, then that is called the discrete series. Okay, discrete series भनिन्छ. भने if there are numbers 4 to 10, 5 to 10 यसरी दिएको छ भने, that is called the continuous series. So we will learn that continuous series the next day. Okay, just as it's a पढौँ. So continuous series and, sorry, individual series and discrete series. Okay, so let us go one by one now. So first of all, we need to know the formula, summation fx by summation x by n. Okay, because there is no frequency, that's why summation x by n. Okay, so summation x भनेको plus गर्ने. So let us find out the summation x. So summation x भनेको सबैलाई plus गर्ने. Whatever numbers are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 numbers छ भने n equals to 6 हो. How many numbers? 6 numbers. N equals to 6. Okay. Summation x means we need to add these 6 numbers. So add, summation means plus, that's why we are adding it. So 5,000 plus 9,000 plus 7,500 plus 8,500 plus 10,000 plus 9,500. Okay, so in this way we have to add all these numbers. So this is summation x. So plus one, it is going to be 49,500. This is going to be the total of this number. You can use your calculator, you can check it out. Okay, so whether it is correct or not. Then after that, so n money, how many numbers are there? All together, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 numbers altogether. That means n equals to 6. Okay. अब यसको average कति हो? The average means mean equals to how much? What is the individual? what is the arithmetic mean of this number? Okay, that's the mean equals to question mark. So mean equals to summation x by n. So summation x, what is the value of summation x? Summation x means 49,500. 49,500 divided by all the shit. Okay, so n equals to 6. Okay, so 49,500 divided by 6 equals to how much? It is going to be 8,250. Okay, in this way you will get the answer. Finish the answer. This will obviously, so this will come normally in 2 marks. Any problem? Just use the formula, get the
No,
answer.
sir.
Summation x means we need to add all these numbers. N means how many numbers are there. Okay, whatever numbers are there, so divide it, you will get the answer. So number 2 is here. Get the answer of this number. Quick, just 2 minutes will be provided to you. Okay. So in case of individual series, sometimes the numbers are missing. अब यो missing frequency लाई कसरी निकाल्ने त? Okay. So how to get the value? So if the frequency, that means if the number is missing, the answer will be given. That means mean will be given. If the mean of this is 15, that means is भनेको यसको mean चाहिँ 15 हो अरे. That means mean equals to 15 is given. Okay. These are the numbers. These are x, all x हो. Okay, यो सबलाई प्लस गर्नु पर्यो, and this is the mean. 15 is the mean. Then find the value of x. That means this missing frequency you need to find out. So how will you do it? Do it in the same procedure. Okay. So summation x means what? We need to add this all. Each बाहेक सबै है. Each भनेको यो this is the mean. If it is separated by each, that is the mean. So what are the numbers except this one? So 9, 8, 10, x, 12. Add this all number 9, 8, 10, x, 12. Okay, add all this number. So when you add all this number, so it will be 9 plus 8 plus 10 plus x plus 1. Okay, so 10 plus 12. It is going to be 39. 39 plus x answer. Okay, now after that, so after adding all this one, so n means how many numbers are there altogether? Somebody, so sometimes they will count up to 15. 15 the answer on the mean quota. Okay. So how many numbers are there altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 numbers are there altogether. Okay. 9, 8, 10, x, 12. There are 5 numbers altogether. This is the mean. So this is the mean. Okay. So if this is the mean, then these are the value of x. So you supply x भनेर add गरौँ अनि n भनेको चाहिँ कति रहेछ 1 2 3 4 5 5 are 5 numbers are there. And mean चाहिँ कति अरे? Mean कति छ अरे? 15 हो. Mean is 15. Correct? So mean is 15. So what is the formula over here? So every time I tell you that always remember the first formula, the root formula. Mean equals to here. Okay, कसैलाई n equals to mean into summation x भनेर पढाउँला, कसैले summation x by something यस्तो नम्बर होइन पढाउँला. तर यसो नगरौँ, एउटै फर्मुला पढ्ने क्रस मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने नि कति गर्दा. Okay, so why remember so many formulas already. So mean equals to what? So mean equals to 15 is there. Summation x equals to 39 plus x is there. Okay, so 39 plus x is there. So value of mean equals to 39 plus x is given, and n equals to 5 is there. Okay, so when divide both, this will be multiply. So 15 into 5, it is going to be 75. Okay, directly I have multiplied over here. So 15 5 is 75. Then after that, 39 plus x is remaining. So plus and again, so minus answer. So 75 minus 36, so 39. It is going to be 36. So this is going to be our answer. So यसरी पनि missing frequency निकाल्न सकिँदो रहेछ. यो x भनेको कति रहेछ? 36 रहेछ. Okay, so in this way we will get the answer. Same formula and the other formula is गरेन. So just we are using the same formula. So mean what is 15 is there. Summation x means we need to add all this number. Okay, after adding you will get 39 plus x. So n equals to how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers altogether. Is 15 is भनेको यो भनेको mean हो यो याद गरौँ यहाँ हो main कुरो याद गर्नुपर्ने. And after that n equals to 5, so cross multiply garo, so you will get multiply, so 15 5 is 75, 39 plus x, so when plus with it will be minus, and x equals to 36 is going to be our answer. Okay, so hope there is no any problem. So number 2 is lying over here, please do it. Again 2 minutes to do problem to you. Okay, so x and f is there. Okay, so let us write on the value of x. X means 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20 is there. So write down 6. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 8, 20 and लेखौँ. Okay, x value सबै यसरी सरर लेखौँ. Okay, and f भनेको कति छ त? So 6, 12, 18, 6, 12, 18, 15 and 9. Okay, so we just write down in this way. Now the total of f is called n. F को total हामी n भन्छौँ. So n भनेको के हो? S को total हो. 6 plus 12 plus 18 plus 15 plus 9 भनेको you are going to get 60. Okay, you will get 60. Now your fx भनेको के हो त? So according to our formula, so let us see the formula once. So what is the formula of mean in case of discrete series? Mean equals to summation fx by n. Okay, so the formula of mean was summation fx by n. So let us see this one. Mean equals to के हो? Summation fx by n. That means हामीलाई के चाहियो? Follow the formula always. Follow the formula. Mean equals to summation fx by n. हामीलाई के चाहियो? fx चाहियो. So fx भनेको f into x. So let us find out fx over here. Okay, so fx लेख्दिने. So f into x गरिदिनु. That means 6 into 4, 24. 12 into 8, it is going to be 96. So 12 into 18, it is going to be 216. So multiply this one to 40. So 20 into 9, it is going to be 180. Okay, so add all this number. Summation fx summation fx means total of this number plus value. Summation plus number. So plus value 24 plus 96 plus 216 plus 240 plus 180. Once use a calculator, will you get this much or not? Add it. Okay, at this number you will get this much. Okay, then the the process is simple now. Okay, अब केही गर्नु पर्दैन. Whatever you have done, 90% it is already solved now. Just use the formula, get the answer. So what is the formula of mean? Mean equals to summation fx by n. F को formula we call it n. So summation fx means 756, 756 लेख्दिने. Divide by n. N means 60. N means 60. Divide it, get the answer. Finished. Let's do this number B. Okay. Okay. Now let me go to the next question. Everyone now. Okay. So whenever there is missing frequency, the question is going to be a little bit tricky. Okay. That happens in missing frequency. So in question number D, find the missing frequency x. So if arithmetic mean equals to 16, that means mean is given 12.6. Okay, 12.6 is the value of mean, and your answer is 18. That means your x value it is 18. Okay, so this 18 we need to prove it. So how will you do it? So always go by the same process. Okay, so x means this all numbers, the upper number 4, 8, 12, 16, 24, okay, so 16 and 20, write down in the form of x. Your number of students, write down in the form of f. 6, 12, x, 15, 9. Okay, these are the numbers. Then what is our what is the process? Add the number f. Okay, add all the value of f. So 6 plus 12 plus x 8 number, 15 plus 9. It is going to be how much? Okay, 18, 18 plus 9, it is going to be 27, 27 plus 15, it is going to be 42. Okay, 42 plus x, there is a plus x last time plus 13. Got it? Suppose if it is 2x, then I done 2x plus 2x. Okay, so okay, like plus no one. Very quick with the key gosh and Suppose if there is 2x, then 42 plus 2x, it will be, so somebody write down 44x. That is wrong. Okay, your ork number x होने के फिर ork number है. So we cannot add these numbers. So I used to say you one example. दुईटा घोडा पाँचवटा बाख्रा कतिवटा घोडा भन्दा अरे दुईटा घोडा नि हुन्छ. Okay, so घोडा and बाख्रा they cannot be added. So these are different numbers, this is different number. So we cannot add this number. Now the next process is find the value of fx. Fx भन्नाले f into x निकाल्ने. So 4 into 6 it is going to be 24. Okay, 8 into 12 it is going to be 96. So 12 into x 12x हुन्छ. Okay, so 16 plus 16 into 15 to 40. So 20 into 9 it is going to be 180. Correct. Now कसरी प्लस गर्ने अरे के तरिकाले 24 plus या 10 मिनट. Okay, so 24 plus 96 plus L plus nagarne. 12 plus X plus nagarne. 96 plus 240. Okay, add this all numbers 180. So when you add it, you'll get 540. You 12 X lagega last time plus X 12 X plus 12 X लेख्दिने. In this way, you'll get the value of summation fx. Okay, you have understood. So f को total we call it n. The addition of fx is called summation fx. x जहाँ छ त्यसलाई प्लस नगर्ने त्यसलाई छुट्टै लेख्दिने. x जहाँ छ त्यसलाई प्लस नगर्ने त्यसलाई छुट्टै लेख्दिने. बाकी नम्बरलाई we need to add it. बाकी number we need to add it. Then what is the formula of mean? So mean equals to summation fx by n. Okay. So mean equals to how much? Each भनेर जुन दिएको छ, if the mean is भनेर दिएको छ, that means 12.6 is already given. If frequency is missing, if the number is missing, remember mean ko value दिएकै हुन्छ. The value of mean will be given. So mean will be 12.6. So 12.6. Summation fx is how much? Summation fx is 540 plus 12x. 540 plus 12x. Divided by n. N means how much? N कति छ 42 plus x. 42 plus x. So when divide go this side, it will be multiply. But remember, there are how many numbers? 1, 2. Two numbers are there. If there are two numbers, we need to put the bracket because this 12.6 will multiply not only 42, it will multiply both the number. So they were a bracket. Are you looking at the screen or not? I can see the screen, right? You'll understand. So 12.6, you will get the bracket. Okay, you need to put the bracket because there are two numbers. Equals to 540 plus 12x. So 12.6 into 42, you'll get this much. So 12.6 into x, you'll get 12.6x equals to 540 plus 12 plus 12x. Okay, so nothing, I've done it over here. So same thing I have written. Now x and x must be written together. Numbers should be together. अब ठुलो कता छ हेर्नु त 529 is greater or 540 is greater. So 540 is greater. So take this number this side. Okay, take 529.2 this side. Okay, so 12.6 is greater or 12 is greater. So 12.6 is greater. So take this 12 this side. Okay, so 12.6x plus when it go this will be minus. So 540 when plus go this will be minus. Okay, if there is no sign in the beginning, there is always plus. The plus is another minus. So subtract them. So you'll get 0.6. 12.6 minus 12 but then 0.6. So 540 minus 512 29.2, it is going to be 10.8. Okay, so 0.6x means how much? So 0.6x means what? 0.6x means 0.6 into x. Okay, 2x means 2 into x. 0.6x means into x. Okay, so when multiply goes here will be divide. 0.6 divide x so 10.8 divided by 0.6, it is going to be how much? It is going to be obviously 18. So once try it in a calculator, you will get 18. Okay, so in this way, you will get the answer. So anyone who has not understood some sentence or those who have missed the previous line, previous question, formula miss गरेको होला. So I am recording every day. So please see it. Okay, I'll say that video. You can see it if you have missed particularly vision the answer. You can see it and you can do your work. So you can learn from there also. Any problem anyway? Mini process summation effects by n. Any line in which we have not understood, you can ask. And this is your homework. I'll share with you all. Let's do it. Tomorrow is holiday, Saturday.